What's going on, guys? It's your boy Javon. I'm gonna slow that down a little bit so a lot of people say they don't hear when I say my name, but it's Jovan. I'll leave it across the screen from JayveeTV, and I'm back with another reaction video for you guys, man. Guys, I'm back with some more Rod Stewart. All right, now a lot of you guys have been asking me to check him out again, and I really wanted to hear him, man, because after hearing Maggie May, I really wanted to hear more. So today in this video, guys, I'll be checking out this song called Sailing, and you already know what time it is, guys. I already got the song pulled up. This is the official video. I got my headphones on, guys. If you're new here to my channel, do me a huge favor, guys. Hit that subscribe button down below, and leave a like on this video right now before you forget, man. Because a lot of you guys be forgetting. But yeah, let's check it out, man. This is Rod Stewart, Sailing.
I am sailing
Whoa.
home again.
Wow.
Across the sea, I am sailing stormy waters to be near you, to be free.
Man.
I am flying, I am flying like a bird.
Wow.
Across the sky, I am flying, passing high clouds to be near you, to be free.
Guys, I just gotta say, man, from the moment this man started singing, like, oh no, man, his voice just captures you in, man, and reel you in. Like, it is something about his voice, man. Like, he sings with so much passion and emotion, and especially got that deep, like, raspiness to his voice, man. Really amazing, you guys. Wow. Now I see why a lot of people like Rod Stewart, man. This just makes you want to wave your hands left and right. All right, Ron, let her know, man. Wow, man, whoever's playing this guitar. Woo! That's right, man.
We are sailing, salty water, to
Man, this is what I'm talking about right here, man. Rod Stewart is definitely showing a lot of people how it's done. Like I honestly didn't know that his voice had like you know, when I heard Maggie May, I really liked his voice, but now hearing him in the song Sailing Man, it really shows even more, man. And I gotta say, guys, that Rod Stewart is definitely the real deal, man. Wow, 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 wow.
All belong to me and you. To be free. Oh Lord.
Oh man, guys, it's just another song. Like, if that melody had even kept going on another 10 minutes, man, I'll still be here jamming out to it. I'm not sure who that guitarist was. Was that Rod playing, guys? Just let me know, man. Shout out to the drummer. Like this band, the band in the back, man. This whole melody and instrumentals, like, really brought this song to life. But the main driving factor that brought this song to life was Rod Stewart, man. Like as soon as the song started, man, I was lost. Like it took me out when I heard that voice of his, guys. This is a really amazing song, man. Like Rod, like he did not come to play, guys. I definitely got to check out more Rod Stewart. You guys left a lot of great suggestions, but if you want to leave more, you can down below in the comments. And let me hear your thoughts on the song down below, guys. I thought that this was an amazing song, man. Really well done. Yeah, if you're new here, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, guys. And I'll see you guys real soon, man. It's been your boy Jay. Peace.
Essa daqui é pica, hein?